I recently talked with a designer who felt like they may have shot themselves in the foot when it came to dealing with a client. The first meeting went very well. A proposal was drawn up, in this case, a fixed fee total services agreement. And that's when the client asked, "How much do you think this will cost?" The honest answer must have been a shock, because the client ghosted the designer after that. Well, could that sale have been saved? First, yes, you do want to get a sense of their budget and if their expectations are realistic. But you also need to understand their context. For example, is it based on a conversation with a friend who built a new home 2 decades ago? Get a peek into the client's decision-making process. Then make it less scary for them. When you discover that the client has unrealistic expectations, try using my 20, 30, 50 proposal. It's a tiered approach where you break up the process into 3 individualized contracts: the design phase, the design development phase, and finally the construction documents. Now consider it one lump fee, and then you divide it up. And the design phase is, let's say, 20%, the design development 30%, and so on. The percentages may be different for you, but the key is to sell the benefits of getting input from the builders between the tiers. And if the client's caught off guard by the potential costs, you're no longer delivering the bad news. Instead, you've made the client the hero by giving them decisions. Increase their investment, value engineer, or stop the project altogether and spend no more. They feel brilliant for having chosen you as their guide. Go to aibd.org/designerdocs to get all 3 agreement template examples that you can edit to suit your needs. And then attend the November Coffee with Bernie episode where the industry will chime in on agreements and the different contract types. Go to aibd.org/coffeewithbernie. And next week, I will share 3 ways that you can avoid asking, "What's your budget?" Until then, design boldly and have a triumphant week.